This is how the Instagram algorithm works in 2021. If you've spent any time on Instagram, you'll know that the algorithm can behave in mysterious ways. But once you understand how the elusive algorithm actually works, you can tailor your content strategy to work alongside it. Ready to get up to speed on the Instagram algorithm in 2021? Here's everything you need to know. There are 6 key factors that influence the Instagram algorithm for feed posts. Interest, relationship, timeliness, frequency, following, usage. Factor number 1, interest. Our Instagram feed isn't only based on who you follow, it's also based on the accounts and types of posts you've liked historically. The more the Instagram algorithm thinks you will like a certain type of post, the higher it will appear in your feed. Basically, what you see in your Instagram feed is a combination of all of your Instagram behaviors. The accounts you interact with the most, the people you are tagged in photos with, and of course, the type of posts that you like and comment on. This is why consistently showing up on Instagram is so important. Factor number 2, relationship. The Instagram algorithm wants to prioritize posts from your friends, family, and accounts that you care about. So in order for Instagram to show you what you want, what you really, really want, the algorithm uses your interactions to piece together who is closest to you. Instagram will try to calculate this relationship, and your interest level. As soon as you follow someone by serving you their content and monitoring how you engage with it. Factor number 3, timeliness. Not only does the algorithm pay attention to how much engagement your Instagram post gets, but it also looks at how long ago the photo was posted. Instagram's algorithm cares about when you posted, because it always wants to serve you the latest, most interesting posts. By finding your personalized best time to post on Instagram, you can hack the algorithm to increase your reach and get more likes and followers. And if you post at a time when your followers are online and most active, you give yourself a better chance of getting more likes. Factor number 4, frequency. How often do you open the Instagram app? If you're a frequent scroller, your feed will look more chronological. Since Instagram tries to show you the best posts since your last visit. If you check the Instagram app less often, your feed will be sorted into what Instagram thinks you'll like, instead of chronologically. Factor number 5, following. How many people do you follow on Instagram? If you follow a lot of people, then Instagram has more options to choose from, so you probably won't see all of the posts from every account. On a related note, it could be worth systematically removing inactive or ghost followers. If a large percentage of your following is inactive, they could be doing more harm than good for your account's algorithmic ranking. Factor number 6, usage. If you spend a lot of time on Instagram, you're going to see more posts as Instagram digs deeper into its catalog. If you spend enough time on Instagram, you can even run out of new content to see. Once this happens, the algorithm will serve you suggested content from new accounts based on your previous interactions. However, if you only spend a few minutes in the app each day, then you're going to just get the day's highlights from the algorithm.